Oh, the trampolines look fine. Oh, I hope it couldn't go through here. That'd be bad. Oh, hey, look, there's some down trees. Maybe you're right.
Think Mama doesn't know what we're talking about?
Maybe.
This is top of the hill. It's probably where the wind was picking up.
Yeah. Well, I don't think I've been through here before. It's an interesting street.
This is the back way into our neighborhood before they opened 43rd West.
So this is the back way.
It's kind of a long back way.
Yeah. This is like a bunch of hills, so it'd be good for the ice, I guess.
Not quite as
Well, their houses aren't.
steep as ours.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, she lost a branch. There was some wind going around.
Hey, there's a random destroyed tree. I feel like these trees are blocking a field, which might actually be where the tornado went. The cows are like, yep, we don't want to get blown away. Not again. Not again. We won't see Bill again. Glad I didn't hit those. Or did it? Dun, dun, dun. Hey, there's a random destroyed tree. Wonder if they hit that.
We took some of the branches out across there. If you look at those are fairly fresh.
Yeah, those are branches that are completely sideways. Can't zoom in that far though. I hope it didn't hit these apartments. Hey, residential houses are one thing, the apartments.
Gee, wonder what happened here.
What?
Look at the sign.
Why is our cone?
The wood?
Did it go?
It went right across here.
Oh man, I jinxed it.
Here, I'll pull up in this driveway.
Yay.
See, all the wood.
I jinxed it.
Um,
Yeah, no, I noticed it. It went right. It didn't kill anybody, I don't think. There's no bodies. There is a police car, which looks like maybe it got hit. It looks like a police officer.
took the whole fence out. There used to be a fence there.
No.
Yes, there did.
There can be a fence
There's
there.
part of the fence over there.
Up in the balcony, I can see a bunch of destroyed objects. It's kind of like, hello. I think that's the police officer talking on the phone right there.
Could be.
Maybe not. I can't tell.
Look like the little convertible.
Next to it. No, the gate's destroyed. That can't be cheap. Hopefully they have some kind of insurance. Do we have tornado insurance, Mom?
Yeah, our insurance. There's just some debris right beside you.
Hey, debris. I like debris. It's not alive, but it's good enough, I guess. Why don't you just go down the road?
Because I don't know what's down there.
Exactly. Adventure. You're being ridiculous. We're gonna beat another piece of the debris in a second here. It's too big for this. Squeeze. Oh, so much for 40 miles per hour. Why does that sign say 20? And that says it's 40. Oh, school's on. Right.
Take a picture of the wood against the fence.
Yeah. It's left to the 20 mile per hour. The first sign was a bucket.
That part of it's up against the fence.
Yeah.
Part of it's
Thank
up
goodness it didn't come through here. I mean, we got lucky. Oh,
Here.
man.
It came right through. Just missed the corner. I mean, they really like that.
That's what I'm saying.
He's kind of missing a hood.
Wow, oh boy.
Oh boy.
Poor Blazer. No. See, that came in my Blazer. I wouldn't have upset. I wouldn't want my Blazer to be missing.
That probably. Wow, look at the garage door.
Oh, yeah.
And that's probably what happened to that, is the debris hitting everything. You know, it's amazing that the apartments didn't get it any more than they did, considering how high up they were. Now, there may be some broken glass on the backside.
Here, we can go in there.
That one.
No? Okay. School looks okay. Kids aren't afraid. Oh man, the stop sign's still here though. There's that Mustang. It's a Mustang. Look at the back.
One's still there. That sure looks like a Camaro back to me.
It's a circle, doesn't it? Maybe you're right. It does look like a Camaro back, but the front had a horsey on it.
I don't think so. It's a Camaro.
I agree with you. I think the front looked kind of Mustang-ish. That guy's fence was like that, right? She's always like that.
I don't think it was designed to be like that.
What about the stop sign?